leaders or the monyam share sorry or the monyam share ebe bro and na obesima wenim aye high. Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I'm much my first and empress why ni kunu ba kono allegedly na untimi unya no hu sem keka and I make say now don't forget that empress is married to a politician. Ezi me bia the ho akade. TSM TV so ye TV so asanka mum bebre anka mun nimi. TV so nti no comment we betinya ye ya men akwa free of charge. Eke adwuma no na kadening. Enti no you getting married to a politician and you know obi abe ya ukuna ohun frama be bo okay enu ti na ase empress ni wait na some way bi was social media no and afa so it's alleged that's what people are saying so no so no nyama bi ono so ye videos bi manka ewu hia se gospel artist obe ya aba beto ho na de aba beto ho nti as ono so ye di ne yo what you say ye video wembra and beyond. Now, I'm be catch up before me call break and be catch up say they about delve into the world of technology and no tea and I mean very much Samuel Tosin Ogedengbe. I hope I got that right. Oh yeah, software engineer and yeah cat is a backup of an Rebecca cheese. They say they are some.
I don't understand.
You don't understand. Listen up, bro. We made tea. Anyways, you're welcome.
Yeah.
So today we are talking about AI and blockchain.
Yeah.
Exactly, blockchain. So what's AI? Because now we see a lot of videos. People say, "Oh, this is AI infused. This is this." So what's really AI?
Okay. AI. The full meaning is like artificial intelligence.
Okay.
Right. So like it's just like I'll call it a system that makes people life easier, right? It learns from data you give it, like it learns from analyzed data, and it also like makes it automates tasks for you. So maybe something you do in a day or 5 hours or hours, you can get it done in like minutes because it literally learns from you every day. So that's what I can say AI is. Like that's what I can say it is. So.
So simply put, when I say AI, you know, I'll be doing a little bit of cheap for the benefits of, you know, my viewers. So AI, you know, is like an automated something, a robot or what?
Not really, but I'll call it like a system.
That makes our lives easier.
Very easy. Like we have example, like we have the LLMs now, like the ChatGPT. We have the Cloud, the Google Gemini, right? We have even where I work right now, like we do something like at Mentalyc. I'm a software engineer for over like 5 years now. So we make therapists' life easier, right? So how will I say that? That is we make therapists' life easier. So like for example, therapists are always like overwhelmed with their notes, right? They are note taking, right? They write a lot of notes, different formats, right? So with Mentalyc AI, for example, therapists just need the recording of the clients. So we manage their clients. We get them the format in minutes. So it's something that takes them like 5 hours, 4 hours to do, or 1 hour, right? They get it done in Mentalyc within minutes, right? So that means they can see more clients, more patients. They don't need to, because of the effort of having to write notes, they don't need to do all that. They just get everything done in our platform, that's in Mentalyc, during minutes. So that's it. So it makes our life
basically makes life easier.
Yeah.
And then the blockchain.
Okay, so blockchain is more like a distributed ledger. Okay, that's too much. Let's say like people see blockchain as like cryptocurrency. Like, okay, cryptocurrency I would say is just like one part of blockchain, right? What I mean by that is it's not only you want to make money. Think about it. For example, I have like numerous examples, right? So I can say, the easier one is we have like tokenizing like assets. What I mean by tokenizing assets is like, okay, for example, you have gold,
right?
Like you can get gold, like the physical gold, right? So what blockchain does is you don't necessarily need to buy physical gold. You can just get the assets in the chain. So when you have the asset in the chain, the price you get it at the marketplace in wherever you want to get it, you can get it in this like at the same price in the chain, and you don't even have to own it physically. So you just need to get the coin, the asset and you have it to yourself. If it goes up in the market part, it's pegged to the
market value.
To the market value. Yes,
right.
that's the word.
So can anyone at all have access to that?
Yeah, I mean it's on the chain. That's why I say it's like a decentralized database, right? You have you can see all the transactions, no manipulation of data, no nothing. Literally, you can see everything on the chain, on the Explorer. You can check everything. The asset you got, you can see everything on the chain.
Okay, so let's come back a bit to social media. So assuming I've posted something on social media and I'm like, oops, I shouldn't have posted. How would I know the length that's what I have posted got into? And if I want to reverse it, apart from deleting, can I recall everything? Okay,
so that's like a quick example. I can say since AI learned about like everything, literally, like you can before things, you need to Google search some stuff before you can get them, right? With AI and with you can just go to ChatGPT, write. So
the ChatGPT is an app, or what?
It's an app now, but it's more like a search field. Like you can search about it, right? Okay. So like when you put your account there, it shows the content you want to get instead of looking through many apps to get that content you want. You can just get everything on ChatGPT and you know the one you want to delete instead of looking for it one by one. So it's
what of those that already have the content I've posted?
Yes, you can get it. They show even similar content. They show everything of what you, especially if you have given him the prompt, what you want it to do. You see everything down, and you can delete.
Wow.
Yeah, you can literally maybe pursue it.
And you can block circulation too.
Yes.
So assuming I've posted something and other people have it, I just have to go to my phone,
search the content, what you posted. They will show you similar stuff that is on the net, right? On the net, and you can literally do anything.
And then I can reverse everything. So how does it get off your phone?
You can.
So assuming you have my content on your phone and I'm trying to pull it down.
No. You can now maybe reach out or maybe use a lawyer to reach out to the person to delete your stuff. Like that means you can get every content that is, some people can post it and you don't even know about it. So
yeah, okay. So you do remember Tiwa Savage, her nude picture video that circulated. At a point, you can't even send it on your phone, even though it was circulated. That people had it on their phones, but you can't send it. And when you tap the content, you can't even view it. Do you get what I mean? So how is this done?
I would say it's still like flag it. Like maybe
you flag it.
You've already flagged it, and they see it as maybe if there is repercussion for doing it. So when you see the content, the AI already knows this content has been reported by the source, that you don't need to post it, and it leads to other things literally. So that is
okay. So let's go back to the AI. How can one get advanced with AI?
I would say like you can use it in like literally anywhere, like anything you are doing. It's
like it's the new-ish now.
Yeah, like some people see it as it's taking their jobs, right? Like
is it taking our jobs?
I won't say it that way. Maybe in few years or in few.
Hey, in few years. But so like, robots can come and sit here and do what I'm doing or what?
Maybe.
Hey,
that's why I said maybe. That's why I said maybe, right? Like, but how I see it, I mean, how people are making it with it is like they give the AI something you can do in 5 minutes, in 1 hour. When you are using AI, you do it faster and even like more precise, right? So like you don't have to. You see it as an assistant, like, oh, this is my assistant, and I get stuff done easy, like faster with it. So like. You can get more money, right? Let me use value now. You can get more money,
right,
by doing the same. Like you're doing the same thing, but you're doing it faster rather than having to do
long process. Wow. So what will you tell us, we the young ones, that?
I'm also a young one.
I know. What will you tell us? Should we embrace AI? Should we embrace crypto? Should we embrace blockchain?
I would say that those are like, yes, like you should, like everything you are doing now, you should. I'm sure you even use it in a way like when you want to check stuff, you go to ChatGPT, you have like a full brief. It simplify your research. It can be used to do like a lot. So I think everyone should start embracing AI to not be out of the game actually.
Right, because it's the new age.
Yeah.
Which company do you represent?
Mentalyc.
They're not in Ghana.
Not in Ghana, sorry.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. But I'm sure anyway, they can't buffer baby more and say they have anything. But it's the new age now, AI ABBA. It's necessarily wasting your time, especially with the chat DPT. Okay, a lot of things you can learn. It's see a bit wasting your time, baby. TikTok or then it's good to be there. Don't get me twisted, but upgrade yourself. Do something with your time. They say mobile phones here be nina iska. You can upgrade yourself. And when you have a change natural back what's in a classroom, but leisure time now. You go to chat DPT, you search for something, you read about it, like one kasa because you see na ubo tinko na meka note and wa my yanke chido. One kasa. It is to the young ones. No, yeah, social media is there. We are not saying don't go, but empower yourself. It's that technology is the new age. Me pacho P. So Tosin, how do I say thank you in your language?
You say eshe.
Eshe.
Yeah, eshe.
Eshe.
Yes.
Tosin Ogedengbe. I'm a sign of crap.
No, don't spoil my name, please.
Omoshuru Alagu.
I don't get that, sorry.
Okay. At this point, but I'm sure me that was say Ogendengbe share me Tosin about be catch AI munti me patch dey me mami funo me say but the young ones no because I also need it. Wo ha na we sua bibi, learn something every day, upgrade yourself. You might never know what you say. A pumbi ebebi ama me fast da ke say enko Emma miti mami no mu ye ejuma Kofi. My friend Angel brother or no enemy director. Boy to the baby. I didn't mean penny say maybe body because you might forget obedience, you know. With the Angel team, with our baby light sound will be a madam must say Tosin Ogedengbe. Ogedengbe. Please give me your last words.
I would say like we should embrace AI and blockchain, to be honest.
Right.
Yeah, that's like my last word. I don't have any other.
You don't have any.
Yeah, I don't have any.
All right, thank you, Alex. But I if I lunch the ever be why and then maximum. I hope I got that right. Boys, baby, one day don't never ban my show ready by. What's our film Maximus or no, Enna or Bobo videos in the Emma.